our title is Food Adulteration. Problem statement is food adulteration for profit purpose. As you can see in this pie chart, the rate of food adulteration in different products. Like most commonly, food adulteration is done in products like fruits, vegetable, dairy products, spices, and all.
So, what is food adulteration? Food adulteration is an act of degrading the food's quality by the addition of chemicals. The selfish motives of people are accomplished through the methods like addition of certain chemicals for faster ripening of the foods and replacement of high-grade grains with the low-grade grains. Having this adulterated food is highly toxic for human health. It leads to nutrition deficiency diseases, kidney disorders, and affects the organs like kidney, liver, and heart. So our aim is to prevent adulterated food destroying the health of humans. So our solution for this problem is to create a food adulteration sensor which will detect the rate of food adulteration displayed through LED lights. The green light indicates food adulteration is not there. The yellow light indicates low food adulteration. The blue light indicates medium food adulteration, and red light indicates high food adulteration.
And this is a flowchart that depicts the working of the food adulteration sensor. It checks whether there is an article other than drugs and cosmetics. If yes, it checks if it has any prohibited substances. If yes, then it's adulterated. If no, then it rechecks if it has any poisonous, toxic substances. If yes, it checks if it is harmful for the health or not. If yes, then it's adulterated, and if it's no, it's obviously not adulterated. So advantages of food adulteration are a better appearance, can increase the selling price, and it can increase the amount of products of a substance. Then disadvantages of this food adulteration are the increased risk of illness and allergy reaction due to the inedible products. Due to the inedible products that are present in the food products, it can even cause cancer, that is a threat to human life. So the advantages of these sensors are that it can intimate the people for not using such adulterated products. It helps to detect the rate of adulteration. So the conclusion of our presentation is that the food adulteration has advantages as well as disadvantages. But despite having such advantages, it is harmful for human health. So people must avoid such activities.